Welcome back, everyone. Today we will be making sopapillas, a highly recommended dessert. I'm obsessed with it. To start, we're going to mix all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix it well in a separate bowl, adding warm water and cooking oil. Stir it real quick before you pour it into the flour. Now all you need to do is knead the dough until it becomes really soft and chewy. Separate into fours. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. Quickly dust the countertop with flour. Roll each small dough out with a rolling pin and make sure the pancake of the dough is not too thin. The thickness is about a 1/4 inch. Alright, cut it into fours and let them rest for additional 30 minutes so you can get really puffy looking sopapillas. Once the deep frying oil is at the right temperature, throw in rested dough pieces one at a time and make sure you work in small batch. Look at that. This is so satisfying to watch. So once they turn golden brown, remove from the oil to drain for plating. I added some ice cream, drizzle with some honey and powdered sugar. For contrast, I also added some flowers from my backyard. This is so good. Please check out the full recipe in my bio link. Thank you for watching.